Welcome to another video. Today we are going to do some random stuffs. So for this reason we choose the npm website, and I think that to get some random libraries from npm and build something from that library, or using this library we can do some better stuff like that. So let's go to the npm JS library, where you can find the different libraries used in the node.js, and these all are written in javascript. Let's search something in these packages. I try to type something random, and after that so check out this open library. I don't heard about this library before, but I think it's a good library to use, and it's totally random that I pressed O. I don't have any knowledge about this library, how to use it, so I just use the documentation to build some good quality code and use this for the application purpose. So you can see that it has a great popularity, like 91 lakh and 9,940 downloads per week. You can here get the graph as well, and there is a version, and if you want to contribute in their repository, you can go to their GitHub, install or upgrade the open package from the original open package, and like they have the usage, like how we can use it. So let's check it out what they are doing. Like first they import the library. After that they are going to open the like image. So I think let's use it first, so we can get a better understanding how to use it. And I think if you want to get a reference or how to use it, you can use the readme file, because there was a great readme or documentation how to use this open package. So now I am going to open my terminal. As you can see that I opened my terminal, and first I make a directory for this open usage. Okay, now I go to the open usage, and now I install the open library using npm iopen, and it will install the open library in my directory. So after that, let's go to the code. So now the code is opened. So now I create a main.js file to use the open pack. My like there is already open. Now I imported the library. Now for the testing I will download some images. So I will download from the Unsplash, because this is the royalty free. So I download this image. Okay, I downloaded it, and so after that I am going to their usage, like how to use them. So they are using the asynchronous programming to open file. So now let's go to the folder and try to open some. Okay, I try to make a function to do this. Let's make it app. I will create a function to make this thing. For doing this, I will use the asynchronous command to make it name. Now there is a wait function. Place the wait for in the curly braces, and this is the optional parameter to waiting for some time after opening the file. Now you can see that now I make it async, and I use the JavaScript arrow function. So now it is done. So now if I call the and now I open the file manager and I import the file to the user. Now you can see that I imported the file. I rename it as example. Example.jpg. Let's check if it is run or not. If I run node index dot main.js, let's see it opens or not. Wow, now it's opened already. Now you can see that we opened the library, we opened the photo from the using the JavaScript, and it is opened in the default in your image viewing app, and it is wait until we close this window. Now if I close this window, and the program is already stopped. Now I named it as photo app. Now after that, let's now make a browser app or URL handler. Now we want to open the dev.to website. So for this you need to just pass the name and similar to the photo viewing, and just need to pass the browser name, the Firefox, and you can see that app equal to Firefox. Now it is done. Now I will comment it out and use this browser app. Let's see how it do. Okay, now here you can how these asynchronous programming is working. Run simultaneously, but by this asynchronous programming it will take place one by one. Now if I run it, node main.chase, then like first you can see that both are this opened. Like while it is trying to open the photo viewing app, then in the meantime this try to open this dev.to website as well. It's a good thing that now if I try to close it, then this is closed, but I think browser is not closed because it is stay in the memory. Now this is the use of this open library. By using this open library you can open using JavaScript, and they have a API, so you can use their API as well. And there are many like allow, nozone, exit code, URL, app, many parameters. You can find that in their document, their GitHub repo link in the description, so you can check it out. And for usage it is quite pretty simple to use, because you need to just open the open library and use it asynchronously to make it awesome. So that is pretty much for today. Thank you very much for staying with me, and see you next